Chessington World of Adventures is a family-friendly theme park just outside of London. Owned and operated by Merlin, this park features a variety of themed lands and plenty of attractions. This includes 4 operating roller coasters, some dark ride experiences, some nice flats, and multiple animal experiences. In this video, I will rank the park's top 15 rides. Starting off the list at number 15 is Mamba Strike. This is an SBF flying carpet. It is not as fast as some other installations, so it's not as proficient in the negative G department. You will be laterally tossed from your seat at least. Number 14, Ostrich Stampede. This is an SBF techno jump. It only travels forwards. The bounces are not too rapid, so there's no airtime, but it is still a fun motion. Then the rotation is fast enough that you experience weak, but very sustained laterals throughout. Number 13, Sea Storm. This is a mock Himalaya. It offers some laterals throughout, much like the prior ride. But this one gets the edge because the boats can rotate 180 degrees. This allows you to spend portions of the ride going forwards and backwards, making it even more disorienting. Number 12, Tuk Tuk Turmoil. This is a set of bumper cars from Preston and Barbieri. The cars have average speed and power, but you do have a sizable and wide open arena, so you have plenty of collision opportunities at any angle. This is a treat for me as an American because so many dodgems back home have center dividers to force you to drive one way. Number 11, Cobra. This is a Zamperla disco coaster. It is plussed by some cool looking snake statues on the spikes. Then the giant disc offers good spinning per usual, especially when you are whipped over the bunny hump. Then you get a pinch of weightlessness on the spikes as well. Number 10, River Rafts. This is a junior log flume from ABC Rides. This is targeted more towards kids, so the boats are understandably cramped. And the drop is tiny, but I love the visuals. You float underneath and past multiple animal exhibits. I especially love the monkey bridges overhead. Then, there are some animal statues as an added bonus. Number 9, Rattlesnake. This is a good Mao or wild mouse. This one has minimal braking, so the hairpin turns at the start offer strong laterals. Then the second half has some weak pops of airtime on the dips, while also popping in and out of some themed structures. I love how these visuals spice up an otherwise standard layout. Number 8, Croc Drop. This is an SBF Visa drop tower, and it is a spectacle. The ride is housed in a giant crocodile mouth, which oozes fog. It is so picturesque off-ride. And on-ride, all that fog disorients you. Then it also provides some nice views of the area, especially because the tower rotates as well. This drop tower is on the milder side for the genre though. It stands 84 feet or 26 meters tall, which is good enough to make it the park's tallest ride, but it is small for drop towers. Then in terms of power, there is no airtime, just a light tummy tickle on the 3 drops. Number 7, Tiger Rock. This is the park's larger log flume from mock rides. Most of the layout winds past trees and shrubbery. Then there are 2 drops. The second is particularly interesting though. It is taller, offering some zip, and it also pierces through a giant stone tiger mouth. What can I say? This park loves large animal statues. Then in terms of wetness, we got a comfortable sprinkle rather than a full-on soaking. Number 6, Vampire. This arrow-suspended coaster is the park's oldest operating coaster. I like the mostly wooded setting. There are a few turns that really capitalize on the swinging aspect. Then, there are 2 good drops if you're seated towards the back of the train, but this ride does not have the best pacing between some elevated and or slower turns. And there also are a few jolts along the way, which is not ideal with the over-the-shoulder restraints. Number 5, Tomb Blaster. This is a long shooting dark ride. Themed to Egypt, some rooms feature large impressive statues. But then, there are a few rooms that are dark and sparsely themed. But there is never a shortage of targets. There are plenty all throughout the experience to take aim at. And they are all functional and responsive, especially with the gun's laser sights. Number 4. Gruffalo River Ride Adventure. This is a whimsical dark ride. I love the unique ride system. It is a spinning boat. The plot is that a monster known as the Gruffalo kills, through text, not through pictures in this ride, multiple animals, but he is outsmarted by a mouse. It is a mostly screen-based experience, but there is the occasional Gruffalo animatronic that is large. Just notice possible get wet between the small dip and the water fountains. Number 3. Zoofari Ride into Africa. This is a safari truck ride through the zoo area. It feels like a discount version of Kilimanjaro Safaris at Disney's Animal Kingdom, between the vehicle, narration, and animal encounters. I loved how close this got to several animals, particularly the giraffes. This did feel significantly shorter than the safari rides I've done at other parks, but I loved the experience while it lasted. Number 2. Mandrill Mayhem. This is a unique Balger and Mabillard wing coaster. Unlike the others that are full-circuit thrill coasters, this is a family shuttle coaster. The reverse spike has some hang time in the rear seats. The second launch through the station has solid power. The barrel roll offers incredible hang time going both forwards and backwards. Then the far helix is really funky. It offers solid Gs at first, and then you have odd lateral hang time at the apex as you slow down and reverse. And it wraps around a massive jaguar statue as a bonus. Like I said earlier, this park loves large animal statues. And coming in at number 1 is Dragon's Fury. This is one of the best Mauer spinning coasters. This ride has a strict weight limit. This is really bad for capacity, but it makes it more likely you'll get an off-balanced car, leading to fast, consistent spinning throughout. And the layout is strong anyway. I love how it sprawls throughout the land of dragons. You whiz past some trees and themed structures, adding to the chaos. Then there are several sudden drops that are quite punchy if you take them sideways or backwards. The course does have a lot of mid-course brake runs, but they are not too disruptive to the pacing because they're brief and mostly untrimmed. Those are my 15 favorite rides at Chessington World of Adventures. What are your favorite attractions at this theme park? Do you have the coasters atop your list as well? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you consider subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.